Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best toddler dresses are probably one of the most exciting purchases a parent can make, offering a gateway to imagination and endless hours of delightful play for their little ones, transforming everyday moments into magical adventures where tiny royalty and brave adventurers come to life through the simple joy of dress up. Number 5. Disney Princess Dress Up Trunk Deluxe. Step into a world of magic and enchantment. With this deluxe dress-up trunk, your little one can transform into their favorite Disney princess. Hours of imaginative play await. Explore the stories of Aurora, Belle, Cinderella, and Snow White. Each outfit is designed for magical transformations, fitting sizes 4 to 6X. Let the royal adventures begin. Accessorize like royalty. This set includes everything needed to complete the look, from sparkling bracelets and rings to a beautiful tiara. Customized necklaces with included character stickers for an extra touch of magic. Packaged in a charming keepsake trunk, this set is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to creativity and cherished memories for any Disney princess fan. Perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. Give the gift of imagination and fairy tale fun. This officially licensed Disney Princess dress-up trunk is sure to delight any child aged 4 to 6. It's an Amazon exclusive they'll treasure forever. What we like. If your little one dreams of being a Disney princess, this is the ultimate set. It includes 4 classic characters with all the royal accessories. If you're looking for a comprehensive gift that sparks imagination and comes with its own charming storage, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The dress is made of soft, comfortable fabric that doesn't irritate my toddler's skin. The details on the dress are beautiful, with intricate embroidery and sparkling sequins. It's well made and has held up through multiple washes and wears without any damage. Number 4. Meland Doctor Kit with Puppy for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, designed for little ones aged 3 to 6. It's the perfect gift to spark imagination and encourage caring roleplay. This comprehensive set includes a fluffy puppy toy, doctor's coat, stethoscope, and many more realistic tools. It has everything a future doctor needs to get started. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by letting them experience the role in a fun way. With simulated tools and a nurse costume, children can engage in creative pretend play. They can take temperatures and listen to heartbeats, bringing their imagination to life. Through role-playing, your child can develop crucial skills like communication, creativity, and empathy. They'll build confidence as they take care of their patients. This educational toy is a fantastic gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. It's ideal for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming doctors or dentists. What we like. For the child who loves animals and caring for others, this Doctor Kit is ideal. It comes with a puppy to practice on, helping to ease any anxieties about real doctor visits. If you want to encourage empathy and build confidence through roleplay, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The dress is made of soft, comfortable fabric that doesn't irritate my daughter's skin. The stitching is strong and durable, holding up well to frequent wear and washing. The design is beautiful and whimsical, with attention to detail in the embellishments. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Step in Style Dress-Up Shoes Set. Unleash your child's creativity with our enchanting dress-up shoe collection. It's time to step into a world of imagination and fun. This set includes 4 distinct styles: Elegant Princess, Prima Ballerina, Magical Fairy, and Rocker Girl. Each pair is designed to spark a unique adventure. Crafted with durable materials, these shoes are perfect for indoor play. They are designed to fit children ages 3 to 5, approximately 8 inches long. Encourage imaginative role-playing and enhance interpersonal skills with this versatile set. It's a wonderful way to promote creative play. Looking for a gift that encourages screen-free fun? This dress-up shoe set makes a fantastic present for preschoolers, fostering hands-on play. Coordinate these fabulous shoes with our dress-up skirts and tiaras to complete the magical ensemble. Let their imagination run wild. What we like. If your child loves to mix and match outfits and create different characters, these dress-up shoes are a perfect addition. With 4 distinct styles, they offer versatility for imaginative play. If you're looking for a way to enhance existing dress-up clothes and encourage creative storytelling, These shoes are a great choice. What people say. The dress is made of soft fabric and has a beautiful design. My daughter loves this dress-up costume, she wears it all the time. The quality of the material is excellent and it holds up well after washing. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Doctor Costume. Step into the shoes of a doctor with this realistic costume. It includes everything a young medical professional needs for imaginative play. This set features a doctor's coat, face mask, and even a stethoscope with sound effects. It also comes with a thermometer, syringe, and reflex hammer for pretend checkups. Encourage your child's imagination and empathy as they explore the world of healthcare. This playset fosters problem-solving skills through caring medical adventures. Designed for comfort and endless play, the doctor's coat is machine washable. The sturdy accessories are built to last for screen-free fun. Ideal for pretend play, school events, or everyday adventures. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or career day exploration. Melissa and Doug has been inspiring kid-powered play for over 35 years. Our toys encourage learning, creativity, and wholesome fun. What we like. This is the perfect set for aspiring doctors who want a realistic experience. It includes a coat, mask, and accessories like a stethoscope with sound effects. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-clean costume that inspires imaginative play and learning about healthcare, this is an excellent option. What people say. The dress is made of a soft, comfortable fabric that my daughter loves to wear. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a tiara, wand, and shoes, which makes it a complete costume set. The stitching is well done and the colors are vibrant, holding up well after multiple washes. Number 1. Meland Princess Dress-Up Collection. Spark imagination with our enchanting princess dress-up collection. It's perfect for little ones who dream of fairy tales and magical adventures. This set includes everything needed for a royal transformation, from beautiful skirts to dazzling shoes. Your child can step into a world of fantasy. Crafted for toddlers and young girls aged 3 to 6 years old. It encourages creative play and allows them to explore different roles and stories. It's a gateway to confidence and self-expression. Watch as they twirl, play, and create unforgettable memories in their new favorite outfits. Looking for a special gift? This dress-up collection offers hours of joy and imaginative fun for birthdays or any occasion. What we like. If your toddler is obsessed with all things princess and loves to dress up, this set is a dream come true. It includes shoes and skirts to complete the royal look. If you're looking for a fun, coordinated outfit set that's perfect for imaginative play and makes a great gift for young children, this is a wonderful selection. What people say. The dress is made of soft, comfortable material that my daughter loves to wear. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a tiara, wand, and shoes, which makes it a complete costume set. The stitching is well done and the fabric is durable, holding up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.